What is going on, guys? Eddie of Fliptroniks. I'm going to be going over 3 of the best Bitcoin apps for beginners to be using in 2021. Now, if you want to get into crypto, it's not too late, but I would definitely move on it. The first app I'm going to be getting into here is going to be Coinbase. Now, I've been using Coinbase for 6 or 7 years, somewhere around there. Currently I've got close to 80K in my account. It's been moving, up and down a little bit. But the thing I want to point out, with each one of these apps, I started with a few $100s and I built my account on them up to what they are today. So just remember, just get started. That's probably the most important part in this video. But anyways, Coinbase has over 40 plus different cryptos you can buy, sell, and trade. You can set up recurring deposits for individual coins on here. And honestly, I would say Coinbase is probably got the most user-friendly app out there. It's pretty easy to figure out, and yeah, it's easy to get started. Okay, the next app we've got is going to be Binance US. Now, I've been using Binance for a very long time, and honestly, when it comes to like trading apps, they've got one of the best, hands down. Now, you've got over 50 plus different cryptos that you can buy, sell, and trade on here. I have not a whole lot of money on here, around $2,000. Ethereum is kind of like what I'm holding on to, but I do a lot of trading on here, but I take money in and out, so you're not seeing as much right now. But they have some cool graphs on here for pulling up charts based on like the 1 minute time frame, the 3 minute, the 5 minute, etc. And they've got some cool features for stop losses as well, which is kind of important when you get into crypto trading. So Binance US, awesome. The fees on here are also very low, anywhere from 0.1 to 0.5% for buying and selling. Okay, anyways, let's get on to the final app, which, maybe some of you are not going to agree with, but honestly, I've made money with it, and it's going to be Robinhood Crypto. Now, the cool thing about Robinhood is that, you could also do the stock trading on here, which I do as well. But for the cryptocurrency, you've got 7 coins that you can buy, sell, and trade. So the downside is they don't have a lot of crypto offerings. You also don't actually own these coins. So you can't like send money or transfer, the coins to another wallet, but you can invest into them, right? So right now I own Bitcoin Cash. I bought 39,000 worth of this coin, so obviously I think it's a coin that's going to go up hopefully pretty soon. But they've got like Ethereum, Litecoin, Bitcoin, Ethereum Classic, Dogecoin. So you do have some other coins you can check out in there as well. Okay, now that we kind of got that out of the way, I do want to give you some recommendations for coins to check out. This isn't financial advice, but if I was just getting started in crypto right now, these are the coins I would look at based on the price point and where I think they could go. And of course, the first one I'm going to talk about here is going to be Bitcoin Cash. Now, you just saw I bought quite a bit of this on Robinhood. And the thing about Bitcoin Cash is, if you look at where it was like 2 or 3 years ago, its all-time high was around $4,000. And that's when Bitcoin was valued at $20,000, right? So Bitcoin Cash has got, Bitcoin's name in it. It's top 15 cryptocurrency. It's got close to like a $10 billion market cap right now. And honestly, there's a lot of potential with Bitcoin Cash. You could easily jump to $1,000, plus dollars, at any moment. So, that's why, I put some money into it. I think it's definitely going to go up. Then, of course, Ethereum. I feel like you can't go wrong with Ethereum, as far as like holding on to it for the long term. It's the second most popular coin. It's been that way for a long time. I don't see it really changing. And honestly, over time, I just see the price going up. So I feel like it's a safe coin to get into, honestly. And, under $2,000, why not buy some of it, right? Okay, the final coin I'm going to be getting into here, and this one was actually just listed on Coinbase. It's going to be Cardano ADA. Now, Cardano has had a huge run, over the last 6 to 12 months. It's up a ton percent-wise. However, I think that we could see Cardano get to $10 at some point. So, its all-time high up until recently was like $1.10, but it broke the all-time high. And I think it's got some more momentum to keep going upwards, right? So I think Cardano, another coin I would definitely look at, and that's what I would do. Anyways, hope you guys enjoyed this crypto video. If you want to check out any of these apps, I'll have some bonus and sign-up links in both the description and comments. Thanks for watching it, and we'll see you in the next one.